Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my peeps. Me die yourself for telling no war go on for not to go on, you see me? So obviously breaking news, my people. The feds have just unsealed their indictment on dancehall artist Chronicler, aka Ackeme, Jermaine, Campbell. You see me, I say, problem in the comment section, no, because it seems like the charges before him or bestowed on him is from 2000 and 2025. You know, when them get locked up in a Georgia, in a Turner County for, speeding and, reckless driving, eluding police, all of those good stuff in possession of firearm. You know what I mean? I'm not sure if he beat that case or not. We can't find no court documents on it, but we see that the feds picked it up. You know what I mean? Sort of like a situation with Squash. Remember, say Squash beat the state with the gun charge, but the feds picked it up and charged him with, they said, ish, and know him there in jail for how much years now, awaiting deportation, if that's what the immigration judge says, you see me? But nevertheless, this is what the court documents is saying. Wow, them hold him with like 4 guns, you see me, I say. And them said the 4th gun, the Smith & Wesson, was reported stolen from Broward County. So, an interstate business, the gun travel. You know what I mean? It's not a good look, my people. Only can press pause and read it for yourself. Me just a skim through it, you see me? So when the feds them, investigate the chronicler and say him not have, no status in America, them, charge him. That's probably because if you're a legal alien in America, you're not allowed to possess firearms. That's why they not use the showboat video against Squash. Okay, and they are holding knockers and say Squash to that video on him phone. Hold knockers and things. So that's like 10 to 25 years charges, is it? And see, it's a righteous law enforcement knows Campbell is a recording artist with an international fan base. Campbell utilizes social media to post videos and images showing him with firearms, my people, and ammunition. Campbell's YouTube page, Chronic Law, is unlocked and viewable to the public. Several videos depict Campbell with pistols, rifles, and shotguns. Specifically, a music video titled No Check shows Campbell in possession of a firearm similar to, Silver and Gun Premier PF-15 rifle. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Seized during Campbell's November 2025 arrest, my people. A rich in a Farrin music video featured Campbell in possession of a firearm with similar and slide situation. Bear gun them find him with, basically. You see me, I say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, people, him in more trouble than Squash, Him in more trouble than Squash, you see me? But me just say that giving them a quick update while I go on for not to go on. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.